In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move cards to another list in Trello. Trello is an incredibly useful tool for organizing tasks, managing projects, and collaborating with your team. But as your boards and lists grow, you might find yourself needing to rearrange cards to keep things tidy and efficient. Whether you're reorganizing your workflow or simply moving a task to another stage, I'll guide you step by step through the process of moving cards in Trello. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to move your cards quickly and confidently. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. This will bring you to the login page. Here, you can either enter your email address and password, or if you prefer, you can choose a single sign-on option like signing in with Google or Microsoft. If you're using your email address, type it in, enter your password, and then click the Login button to continue. At this point, you might be asked to complete a security prompt, such as solving a CAPTCHA or entering a verification code. Simply follow the instructions provided to access your account. Once logged in, you'll see your Trello dashboard. Locate the board that contains the card you want to move. Boards are displayed as tiles on your dashboard, so find the one you need and click to open it. Now, within your board, find the list that contains the card you'd like to move. Lists are the vertical columns on your board, and each card is a task or item within those lists. Once you've located the correct list, click on the card to open its details. When the card window pops up, look to the top right corner. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select the option labeled Move. This will bring up a new window where you can choose where to move the card. First, select the destination board. If you only have one board, this step will be straightforward. But if you have multiple boards, be sure to pick the correct one from the list. Next, choose the list on the destination board where you want the card to go. Once you've selected the list, you can also set the position of the card within that list. For example, you can place it at the top, the bottom, or even in a specific slot if you want it to appear between 2 existing cards. Before finalizing the move, it's a good idea to double-check your selections. Make sure you're moving the card to the right board, the right list, and the desired position within that list. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click the Move button to complete the action. Finally, verify that the card has been successfully moved. You can do this by navigating to the destination list on the destination board. Check to ensure the card is now in its new location. And that's it. You've successfully moved a card to another list in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.